Good morning, student. Now the chapter is volcano. What is volcano? Volcano is a rupture. Rupture means a crack or opening in the earth crust from which lava, gas, ashes, boulders, dust particle, mud, lot of things comes out or emitted out because of high temperature and pressure inside the earth. Means whenever the pressure increases inside the earth, it pushes the things to come out. Okay, and when it comes out inside the earth, there is a magma chamber. Magma chamber is a place where the rocks are in a molten condition, and then when the pressure increases, it pushes this magma through the vent. Vent means the pipes are there through which it comes out from the weaker zone on the earth crust. Just take example of a pressure cooker. When the temperature increases, the steam produced inside the pressure cooker, and we have a whistle, and because of the pressure, whistle rises. Suppose if the place for the whistle is blocked and safety valve is also blocked, then what will happen to pressure cooker? Because of the high pressure cooker will blast. Okay, in the same way, if on the earth we don't have any weak zone, then there may be condition or may be possibility that earth will blast. But on the earth we have number of weak zone from where these pressure releases. When this pressure releases, it is in the form of a volcanic eruption. Now this volcanic eruption is sometimes explosive and sometimes it is quiet. Very slowly it oozes out the material. Oozes out means slowly the lava comes out from the inside the earth on the surface of the earth. Now this is the cross section of the volcano. You can see here that this is a magma chamber. When the pressure increases, it comes through this. This area is known as vent. Okay, main vent is there. Then there may be a weaker zone on the side, so this will become the secondary vent, that is the secondary cone. And what comes out? This is the magma inside the earth. When it comes out on the earth's surface, it is known as lava, and this forms a crater. I just explain you crater afterward. This is the crater. Sometimes what happens, this lava is very thick, it not come out from the vent, so it makes the vent block, it plug it. Okay, when the pluggings take place, so it is blocked here. So in the next explosion, it comes out with a explosive, and then a part of this earth is removed. When the part of the earth is removed, it forms a crater. Crater means a lower area, and this lower area later on filled with the water, and then it forms a crater lake. Causes of volcanism means what is the reason that volcanic eruptions take place? First, when the temperature inside the earth increases, that the rocks changes into a magma. Then second, when the rainwater seeps inside the earth, it changes into stream because of high temperature and increases the pressure, so volcanic eruption take place. And third, due to the movement of tectonic plates, means when the tectonic plates move, it give area and open area to the magma, and because of that, when the pressure increases inside the earth, it erupts in the form of a volcanic eruption. It comes out in the form of a lava on the surface of the earth. Now, volcanoes are of different types according to the frequency of eruption. Active volcano, which is always erupting something; dormant volcano or sleeping volcano; extinct volcano or dead volcano. Active volcano. These volcanoes are those which erupt lava, gases, ashes, cinder, pumic stone, or something which is always coming out from it. Okay, so it is active volcano. In recent historical period, that is in the present time also, it is erupting something out of this volcanic area. So there are about 500 active volcanoes in the world. Example is Mount Etna in Italy. Now you can see this is an active volcano. Always lava, gas, ashes are coming out from this region.
Lot of
the sea. And on the side, lava is oozing out, moving on the slopes. One more blast is there, that is a secondary cone or vent nearby it. You can see this black color. This black color is causing a pollution, and sometimes it is containing a ash particle which settle down in the nearby areas, and then plants or vegetation get destroyed. You can see that the smoke is coming out from the vent area. Dormant volcano. These are those volcanoes which has erupted in the past, in the geographical past, and at present they are sleeping. Means they are not erupting any material, they are inactive. But it may erupt any time, any moment, and it is so dangerous that the people have settled here, they have to leave this area. And example of this is Mount Vesuvius, standing 4,000 feet above the Bay of Naples. So it is very dangerous area because as it is in a sleeping condition. Now look at this. You can see this volcanic area surrounding have greenery, and at the foothills peoples were doing agriculture. It is a green area and it's also fertile, so it is good for agriculture. So at foothills people have settled here. But whenever this volcano will erupt, it is dangerous because it will erupt lot of lava, ash or anything which is harmful for the people. So it is a dangerous area for the settlement. Third type is extinct volcano. These are those volcanoes which has erupted millions of years back in the geographical past, and they will not erupt in the future. It has been checked by the geographers that they are not erupting any material from a long time or geographical past, so this has been considered as a dead volcano. Example is Mount Kenya, Mount Elbrus in Europe. Now you can see these are the areas which are dead volcanoes. Now on the basis of composition of lava, there are different types of volcanoes. First is acid lava, basic lava, clitera lake and fissure eruption. Acid lava, it forms a volcanic dome. Dome means it is not forming a mountain. Dome means which is covered from round from the top, or an arc shape from the top. Lava which comes out from the volcano site is viscous. Viscous means thick, flows over short. As it is thick, so it will not cover a large area, so it covers a smaller area. It is rich in silica but poor in iron and manganese. Basic lava, it forms a volcanic shield. Why? Because it is fluid in nature. It is not thick. It is rich in iron and manganese but poor in silica. So it slowly comes out, spread over a large area, layer after layer, and then forms a shield. Shield is also known as plateau region. Example, you have Deccan Plateau of India. Clitera lake, just I told you, if viscous, acid is viscous, lava is viscous in nature, then it will not come out from the vent. It cools down in that vent only, blocks the vent, and when the explosive volcanic eruption takes place, it removes or take out the part of the nearby area and forms a lower region which is later on filled with the water. So it forms a clitera lake. Fissure eruption. Fissure means a very minute, narrow crack on the earth's surface, and inside the earth pressure increases and slowly magma comes out in the form of lava that oozes out and slowly spread over a large area. So this type of magma which is forming fissure eruption is a basic lava, and then it forms a plateau region. Effects of volcano, that is the construction and destruction. First, it gives a black color soil for farming, As the lava cools down, it forms the igneous rock, and weathering is breaking down of igneous rock give us soil. So weathering of igneous soil give us black soil, and black soil is good for agriculture purpose. Just after alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is the most fertile soil, and next is black soil, and it is in India. It is found in Gujarat and Maharashtra. It also provides precious minerals from inside the earth. When the lava comes out and cools down, it forms a area like a plateau or shield. When it has been dug, then this area gives lot of precious minerals. One of the minerals is iron, which we get from inside the earth. It gives rise to geysers and hot spring. Geyser means fountain, that is hot water comes out with the pressure from inside the earth, that is known as geyser. And hot spring, it's an area where the water on the surface is hot. Now why the water is hot on the surface and the steam coming out? Because nearby this region there is a magma chamber which makes the nearby rock heated up, and when the water flows over it, it gets heated and sometimes in a boiling condition. Means this water can be used for the cooking purpose. And in Himachal Pradesh, there is a place where the people are using this water for cooking, and there is a places where it is known as kund, that is a well where they also take the bath, and it have a medicinal purpose because it have a sulfur present in it. It cures number of skin diseases. When volcanic eruption takes place, it also forms a new landform like mountains, volcanic plateaus are formed. Now, destructive effects of this is, it makes the nearby area barren. Barren means unfertile, not fit for cultivation. People can't live in this area because when the volcanic eruption takes place, ash, lava, it comes out, and if ash comes out, it spread over a large area, making a thick cover, so that area cannot be used for the agriculture. Even the wildlife also get suffered. It destroys the wildlife and vegetation, and it causes environmental pollution. Sometimes in the environment there is a sulfur is present, and it is very difficult to breathe, and number of people will die. So that will the destruction. You can see this. This is a geyser rising up to a height, because inside there the water is boiling and it emitted out with the explosion, and this emission of water is not always the same of height, it is up and down. Hot springs, these are found in the region of volcanic areas where the groundwater is warm or heated up, and sometimes it is in boiling condition that the steam comes out. This happens because nearby inside the earth there is a magma chamber, and the water flows through that area, get heated up by the rock. This area is good for medicinal purpose because this water is having a sulfur in it which cures the skin diseases. Areas of volcano in the world, these are the areas which are weaker zones of the earth, and because of this only volcanic eruption take place. Distribution of volcano, these are found in the areas of circumpacific belt or ring of fire. Means this is the western part of North America and South America, and eastern part of Asia. It is the area of a Pacific Ocean. These are the weaker zone, and volcanic eruption is common in this area. Next is mid-world mountain belt. It is the southern part of Europe, and it's extended to the Middle East, to the India also. In India we have a Himalayan region. It is also a weak zone, but it is not an area of volcanic eruption. Mid-Atlantic ridge, it is an area inside the Atlantic Ocean. Sometime inside the water also volcanic eruptions take place. I think the chapter is clear to you. Thank you.